A Kanban board is an agile project management tool that helps you visualize project tasks as they pass through different workflow stages from initiation to execution. Let's be honest. Sometimes work seems endless. Tasks keep coming one after the other, while the team has no idea of where the project is heading. You might feel that such instances are common and have no bearing on team performance or project deliverables. But if you look closely, you will realize that this is a productivity killer and the root cause of most project failures. In fact, roughly 47% of projects fail due to inadequate task management. So what is the solution to this persistent problem faced by project teams? A Kanban board has the perfect answer. It shows all tasks as individual cards that are placed in different columns. These columns represent workflow stages like open, under progress, complete, and on hold. You can simply drag and drop the task cards in the right column as they progress from one stage to the next in the project workflow. While the columns represent overall task progress, the task cards show individual task progress, start and end dates, assignees, and followers. This visual board gives a transparent view of which tasks are in progress, which ones are completed, and which ones are yet to be taken up. Let's take a look at how Kanban boards look in ProProps project. As you can see, all tasks appear as cards and all cards are placed in different columns. Each column represents a stage in the project's workflow. Click on any card and you will have all task details including due dates, progress, comments, and other activities right on your screen. You can use this project workflow as it is or customize it to your specific project requirements. The best part is you can view your Kanban board data in different formats such as a calendar view, list view, or Gantt chart view. This option gives your team the ability to view projects and tasks from different angles as per their convenience. With a Kanban board, say goodbye to all your project management worries, as it provides you some amazing benefits such as it brings transparency to the process, keeps the team workload in control, improves focus and productivity, fosters collaboration in the team, brings roadblocks to the surface, better workflow management, and so on. With a Kanban board in place, your project team knows exactly how much work they have on their plate, so they can put their best foot forward in every task. While this definitely improves your team's performance, it also ensures that your projects never miss the deadline. Sign up free today and start managing and tracking all your projects in one place using ProProps Project. We're here to help if you need us. We have live chat, phone help, and a huge knowledge base, so it's easy to get started.